Hello and welcome back to Crypto Zombies. We've made it to lesson 2 of chapter 1. It says, so you've made it to lesson 2. Impressive, human. You're a better coder than I thought. Lesson 2 will teach you how to multiply your zombie army by feeding on other life forms. In this lesson, we will cover some more advanced Solidity concepts. So it's highly recommended that you complete lesson 1 before starting. Are you ready to get started? Let's go ahead and click yes. Chapter 1, lesson 2. In lesson 1, we created a function that takes a name, uses it to generate a random zombie, and adds that zombie to our app zombie database on the blockchain. In lesson 2, we're going to make our app more game-like. We're going to make it multiplayer, and we'll also be adding a more fun way to create zombies instead of just generating them randomly. How will we create new zombies? By having our zombies feed on other life forms. Zombie feeding. When a zombie feeds, it infects the host with a virus. The virus then turns the host into a new zombie that joins your army. The new zombie's DNA will be calculated from the previous zombie's DNA and the host's DNA. And what do our zombies like to feed on most? To find that out, you have to complete lesson 2. Put it to the test. There's a simple demo of feeding to the right. Click on a human to see what happens when your zombie feeds. You can see that the new zombie's DNA is determined by your original zombie's DNA as well as the host's DNA. When you're ready, click next chapter to move on. Let's get started by making our game multiplayer. So we have other life forms, and by clicking said life form, we'll transform the life form into a certain type of zombie. I don't know, let's just click it. Yes. So we did create a new type of zombie out of that human, which mixed my DNA with the human's DNA. So the new mutant zombie's DNA is here. So we could try another combination by trying this one here. And we did get another zombie. So we're going to be learning how to do this in the following lessons. But that was lesson 2 overview. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.